2024 was a year of ups and downs. Here's a few of the amazing things our team accomplished. Thanks for being with us through it all.
We used over 1,534,000 pounds of clay.
We mixed 26,420 gallons of glaze.
We made 10,571 molds and used 92 tons of plaster.
We've taken 22,492 photos.
We offered 17 glazes.
We opened one new store in Brooklyn.
We made 690,000 pots, 690,347 pots this year.
We inspected 571,665 pots.
We gave Bella 3 million pets this year, and she still wants more.
We completed 902 maintenance work orders.
We kept 112 people fully employed through Hurricane Helene, and then hired 19 more.
This year, we have created a community partnership with 9 local organizations.
We raised more than $520,000 for our community partners. That's more than the last 2 years combined.
We held second sale pop-ups in 14 cities.
We shipped 83,539 orders.
We had 30,817 of y'all visit the Asheville, Atlanta, and Brooklyn store. Y'all are amazing and always crushing it.